that, no, that didn't. I don't know what this does. And no idea right there. How does Tony Stark even manage this? Touch this, nope. I think I'm hacking something now. Okay, well, push that. And it's counting down. Okay, bye.
Self-destruct sequence has initiated.
Okay, so let's talk business intelligence, which is a pretty big word these days. And there's definitely a lot of companies that offer all sorts of business intelligence navigation of your data or of additional third-party data. But what does that really mean for you? Well, business intelligence ultimately, hopefully, is giving you the data that you need to make data-driven decisions so that at the end of the day, you can improve your revenue. And that's what it's all about. We're just trying to make a little bit more with what we have, right? And put it to better use. So one of the easiest ways to start with business intelligence is to start with your business data. It could be something as simple as starting to look at all the orders that you have coming in, your cycle counts, your revenue fluctuations from week to week, month to month. But how do you make use of that data? I mean, otherwise it's just a whole bunch of information. If I showed it to you on a spreadsheet, it would probably just look like a whole bunch of numbers that don't mean nothing. From our point of view, this is where a inventory software comes into play. With an inventory software with reports, or even just looking at the order flow, you can see seasonality. You can see types of customer behaviors relative to the products that you're offering, what's selling, what's not selling, so that you can start to garner some insight as to how your business is performing and areas that you can improve on. Even if you don't have all the answers for why something isn't working, you can at least know, okay, something needs to change. Now, beyond making use of your inventory software to analyze and report on what you currently have, you can now use your good information that you have of yourself and expand it into third-party analytics, marketing software, business intelligence solutions, and on, and continue to grow and expand your reach and your revenue. So, if you want to make sure that you're getting everything that you need, don't just go shoot for the moon and try to get like all of the offerings out there. Otherwise, you're going to end up looking like, well, this. How does Tony Stark navigate all of this? I mean, there's way too many. I mean, I don't know what any of this is. So at the end of the day, business intelligence truly starts with knowing your business. And start with that and you can keep going. I'm James. This is Whiteboard Wednesday.